Hello. My name is Claire. Today I will discuss with few FAQs people ask about starting a business. 1. What choices do I have for the legal form of my business? If you will be the sole proprietor of the company, you can trade as a sole trader. You are self-employed, and there is no separate market entity. You can be a sole merchant even if you have workers working for you. Alternatively, you can create a limited company. If there will be more than one proprietor of the business, then you can trade as a limited company, a partnership, or a limited possibility partnership. 2. When would it be better to set up business as a partnership? In an ordinary business, there is no limited liability. Each partner is responsible for the business debts of the partnership. This can help assure the partners are dedicated to the business, but equally, it can be personally harmful if the business fails. Individually, partners in a partnership pay income tax and national insurance contributions on their share of the profits. Depending on how successful the business is, and whether the partners want to reinvest in the business, this may be more or less tax efficient than trading as a limited company. Business. What do I do if I want to be in business as a sole trader? You do not require to form a separate business object to start in business as a sole trader. You are expected to advise on revenue and customs and will require to choose a business name. If you have been getting any benefits, you will also need to advertise your job center. If you have been jobless for some time, you may qualify for funding or support to help you set up your new enterprise. Depending on your events, there may be other legal concerns that should be dealt with at this time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to RTR Supports Limited YouTube channel. And also for more information you can visit our website rtrsupportslimited.com.